Halo guys, ini Jack. Hari ini special video karena sekarang aku punya problem dengan laptopku dan aku tidak bisa membuat video dengan laptopku. Jadi aku akan membuat videoku dengan phoneku. Aku tahu ini tidak sangat bagus karena kamera ada sangat maybe very close from me and but I'm holding it with my arm as you can see, so aku tidak bisa membuat lebih bagus, so maaf untuk itu, tapi at least the quality will be better karena phoneku ada lebih bagus daripada laptopku about the camera. So hari ini aku mau berbicara tentang tempat yang aku mau kembali atau pergi di Indonesia ketika aku mau kembali ke Indonesia tentu saja karena sekarang ada COVID-19 dan aku tidak bisa pergi ke Indonesia. It's very frustrating, tapi tentu saja when it's gonna end aku mau kembali di Jakarta dan di lain tempat. So yeah, pertama tempat yang aku mau berbicara tentang ada The Warteg. So kalian tahu jika melihat videoku, aku sangat suka pergi ke Warteg karena, well, I've already talked about it. It's cheap, fast and easy to use. So, and what I know is ketika aku akan datang di airport, go to my kosan and just leave my stuff, aku akan makan di Warteg. It's something that I am impatient to do. It's okay when I arrive there, I can think, okay, aku di Indonesia, ini Indonesia. So it's a bit of a routine or something that I have with me, but yeah, it's a place that aku mau kembali. So yeah, lain tempat yang aku mau kembali ada di Waterboom. So mungkin untuk kalian ini tidak special pergi ke Waterboom, tapi here you need to see with the difference with France and Indonesia. Di Prancis, kolam punya always the roof. So I forgot how we said roof. Lantap. I'm not sure. So, but of course we have the winter and the fall. So if there weren't any roof, we couldn't go to the pool like most of the year. Tapi di Indonesia, there is that. So ini sangat bagus ketika aku pergi ke kolam atau di Waterboom karena ini sangat berbeda daripada Prancis dan aku sangat suka itu. Aku suka pergi ke kolam, like in the last week it was very hot di Prancis dan aku sangat pergi ke kolam maybe 2 times a week or so, 2-3 times. So I like to go there, and di Waterboom ini lebih bagus tentu saja, lebih what can I say, lebih luas, larger, more things to do. Then there is no roof, so it's something that I really like to do. I've been to Waterboom di Jakarta dan aku mau kembali di sana ketika aku pergi ke Indonesia, ke Jakarta. So next, I'm changing a bit. It's not like one place in particular, tapi aku mau pergi ke lebih kota. Ketika aku pergi ke Indonesia, aku selalu pergi ke Jakarta. So pertama kali aku pergi ke Bandung dan Cikarang, tapi beside that I'm not going to any other cities. Tapi ketika aku kembali, aku mau melihat dan berkunjung, I think, lebih kota around Jakarta, dan mungkin jika aku bisa, aku mau pergi ke Yogyakarta. My friends told me that it was a very good city dan lebih mudah daripada Indonesia, daripada Jakarta. So ini bagus karena aku bisa pergi ke Jakarta dan mungkin untuk 3-4 days pergi ke Yogyakarta dan visit it and maybe around it. So it's something that aku mau membuat dan see more about Indonesia, because, and again I'm comparing with France, but jika kalian pergi ke Paris, ini bagus tentu saja, tapi Paris tidak ada France. France is not just Paris, if you see what I mean. So of course, if you compare like Paris and the city I live, which is a very small town, or even in the south of France, ini sangat berbeda. There is, the people don't live the same, maybe how things work. So of course ini ini sama negara, it's the same country, but it's different. Dan aku berpikir ini seperti itu untuk Indonesia dan untuk setiap every negara. So yeah, I want to visit more and see how different it is. Dan tentu saja aku mau pergi ke lain kota seperti Bali, seperti Medan, and in Sumatera. Tapi ini tidak mudah karena aku bukan kaya dan aku tidak bisa pergi ke Jakarta dan then to Bali, then to Sumatra, then to I forgot if the Medan. I think it's, but you see what I mean, like in very distant places. So for now, I want to focus on Jakarta and around, and aku berpikir Yogyakarta. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. Ini bagus untuk itu. Ketika aku kembali. Speaking of not a place in particular, tapi aku mau berkunjung lebih tentang Jakarta. Aku pergi di sana 3 kali, tapi aku selalu tinggal atau meninggal. I'm always get confused. They don't mean the same at all. Tapi I always live in the selatan atau barat or barat, the west. I think it's barat. I'm not going much in the north and in the east, and I think ini tidak bagus. I want to visit more about it, so hopefully, ketika aku kembali, aku bisa melihat lebih tentang Jakarta. Another place, again, it's not one place, tapi 2 tahun lalu aku pergi ke 1000 Island near Jakarta. Dan aku pergi di sana, tapi aku hanya bisa melihat 2 island. I think just 2. And it's not enough, obviously, there is many more. But I had no time because it was at the end of my internship. Tapi ketika aku bisa kembali, aku mau akan berkunjung. I want to go visit Lebi Island, maybe stay more time there. So it's something that I want to, basically, what the point of the whole video, I want to use more my time to visit and not just to chill around, if you see what I mean. So I want to experience more, and aku berpikir aku bisa membuat itu probably next year. I don't think I can go this year because I will have more time, dan aku akan bisa berbicara lebih bagus dalam bahasa Indonesia. Tentu saja jika aku mau visit di small town dan aku tidak bisa berbicara dalam bahasa Indonesia, it's almost impossible. I don't think sangat orang-orang bisa berbicara dalam bahasa Inggris in small town. I mean, it's like this in France. In Paris, there is not a lot of people, but there is people yang bisa berbicara dalam bahasa Inggris. Tapi jika kalian pergi ke kotaku, you won't have many people speaking English. So if you don't speak French, it won't be easy. I'm not saying it's impossible, tapi ini lebih bagus jika bisa berbicara the language of the country you're going, just to meet people also. Ini seperti itu untuk Jepang. Aku suka pergi ke Jepang, aku pergi 1 kali, tapi aku berpikir ini akan lebih bagus jika aku bisa berbicara bahasa Jepang. Well, it's the same with Indonesia. So the fact that tahun depan hopefully aku bisa berbicara bagus, not fluently, I'm not expecting this, but bagus. Ini akan lebih bagus jika I'm saying a lot of bagus, baik, lebih baik jika aku bisa pergi ke other places around Jakarta. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this. I'm sorry again for the phone. It's not easy. Sometimes I'm a bit moving, but it's not easy to hold the phone for 10 minutes. But yeah, terima kasih mendengar saya, and I will see you very soon. I took a lot of time for this, but I've been trying to fix my laptop and I don't know why it doesn't work. Just record 1 second. Anyway, terima kasih. See you soon.